APA 7, MLA Citations Fast, plus the #1 mistake students make. You spent 8 hours writing the perfect essay. Your argument is solid. Your evidence is strong. Your conclusion is chef's kiss. Then your professor takes off 15 points because you put the period in the wrong place in your citation. Welcome to the most annoying part of academic writing. But here's the good news. There's a way to do this in 5 minutes instead of 2 hours. Let's talk about what actually happens. It's 11 p.m. Your essay is due at midnight. You realize you have 12 sources and 0 properly formatted citations. You panic Google APA citation format. Get 47 different answers. You guess. You improvise. You pray. And then you lose points anyway because citation formats are designed by people who hate joy. But here's the thing. You don't need to memorize citation rules. You just need the right tools and one critical piece of knowledge. Before we get to the shortcuts, let's talk about the mistake that destroys credibility. The #1 citation error students make isn't formatting. It's citing sources they never actually read. You found a quote in someone else's paper. You copied their citation. Or you asked AI for sources and cited whatever it told you. Your professor Googles it. The source doesn't say what you claimed. Or worse, doesn't exist. That's not a formatting error. That's academic dishonesty. So Rule 1, only cite sources you actually found and read yourself. Even if it's just the abstract and conclusion. You need to verify it's real. Okay, now for the shortcuts. There are 3 tools that make citations brain-dead simple. Tool 1, Zotero or Mendeley. These are free citation managers. You save sources as you research. Click one button. It generates your bibliography automatically. In APA, in MLA, in whatever format you need. Tool 2, Citation Machine or EasyBib for quick one-off citations. You paste a URL or DOI, it formats it for you in seconds. Tool 3, Google Scholar has a built-in cite button. Find your source, click the quote icon, copy the citation in your format. Done. Stop formatting citations manually. It's 2025. Use the robots for this. If you're using APA 7, here's what you actually need to know. In-text citations. Author's last name, year in parentheses. Example. According to recent research, Smith 2023, screen time affects sleep patterns. If you're using a direct quote, add the page number. Example. Teens report feeling addicted to social media. Johnson, 2022, Pon 47. Reference list. Goes at the end. Alphabetical by last name. Hanging indent. Basic format. Author. Year. Title. Source. That's it. That's 90% of what you'll ever need. The citation generator handles the weird edge cases. If you're using MLA 9, here's your version. In-text citations. Author's last name and page number in parentheses. Example. Social media use has increased dramatically among adolescents. Chen, 34. No comma between name and page number. That's an MLA thing. Works Cited. Goes at the end. Alphabetical. Hanging indent. Basic format. Author. Title. Source. Date. Location. Example. Smith, John. Social media effects. Journal of Psychology, Volume 15, Number 3, 2023, pp. 112-20 IEC. Again, use the generator for complicated sources. Don't memorize every format. Here's where students lose points without realizing it. You need 2 types of citations. In-text citations throughout your essay, and a reference list or works cited at the end. Most students remember one, but forget the other. Every time you mention a source in your essay, you need an in-text citation right there. Then that same source needs to appear in your reference list with full details. They match. They correspond. One isn't enough. This seems obvious, but you'd be shocked how many people submit essays with a bibliography and zero in-text citations. That's an instant plagiarism flag. Quick warning about using AI for citations. AI like ChatGPT can format citations if you give it all the info. But AI cannot find real citations. It will invent them. So here's the safe way to use AI. Find your real source first. Get the author, title, year, DOI, all of it. Then say, format this in APA7 style, and paste the details. Check the result against a citation generator to be sure. Never ask AI, give me 5 sources about this topic. Those will be fake. And you will get caught. Before you submit, run this 60-second checklist. 1. Do I have in-text citations every time I reference a source? Check your essay. Every claim from research needs one. 2. Does every in-text citation have a matching entry in my reference list? 3. Is my reference list alphabetical and properly formatted? 4. Did I actually read every source I cited? If you can say yes to all 4, you're good. If not, fix it now. Not after you submit. Here's a pro move most students skip. After you cite a source, add one sentence showing you actually engaged with it. Don't just drop a quote and move on. Example, as Johnson, 2022, notes, teens report feeling addicted to social media, p. 2047. However, Johnson's study focused on self-reported data, which may overestimate actual usage patterns. See what that does? It shows you read the source. You thought about it. You're not just citation stuffing. That's what gets you from a B to an A. So here's the formula. Use citation generators for formatting. Cite only what you actually read. Include both in-text and reference list. Double-check before you submit. Citations aren't about memorizing rules. They're about giving credit and building credibility. Next video. Turn research notes into a thesis plus 3 claims. AI Argument Builder. Because research without a clear argument? That's just a book report. Subscribe to AI Study Lab. Drop a comment if you're Team APA or Team MLA. Citation tools and templates? Linked below. Now go cite like a scholar. You've got this.